Auto insurance basics. Auto insurance property is against the financial loss in which events of an accident. It is the contract between the policyholder and the insurance company. The policyholder agrees to pay the premium and insurance company agrees to the loss as defined in the policy. Auto insurance provides property liability and medical coverages. Property coverages pay off the damage to or theft or the car. Liability covers pay for the policyholder legal responsibility to others, the bodily injury, the property damage. Medical coverage pays for the cost of treating injuries, rehabilitations, and sometimes lost salvage and funeral expenses. Most states recovers derived to have auto insurance liability before the can legal derive a car liability insurance pay the other derives medicals, car repairs, and other costs when the policyholder is at fault in an auto accident. All states have laws that minimum amounts in insurance and other financial security derives have to pay for harms caused by their negligence behind the vehicle if an accident occurs. Most auto policies are for 6 months to years. A basic auto insurance policy is comprised of six different kinds of coverages, each of which is priced separately. Bodily injury liability. This coverage applies to injuries the policyholders and family members unless a policy caused the sometime alas these individual and are also covered when deriving other policies cars permissions as motors in serious accidents may be used for large amount drivers can opt to buy more than the state requires minimum to protect personal assets such homes and saving medical payments of personal injury protections. This coverage pays for the treatment of injuries to driver, the passengers of policyholder's car at its broadest. PIP can over medical payment, lost wages, and cost of replacing severage normally performed by someone injured in an auto accident. It may also cover funeral cost, the property damage liability. This coverage pay for damage policyholders or someone driving the car with their permission may cause to someone else's property. Usually this means damage to someone else's car, but it also include damage to lamp posts, telephone poles, fences, buildings, and other structures hit in an accident. Auto insurance collision. This coverage of pays for damage to the policyholder's car resulting from a collisions with the another car and object as result of flipping over. It also over damage caused by pathology. Collisions coverage is generally solved by with the detect able mm, to $50 to $1,000, and the higher deductible, the lower premium. Even the policyholders are fault for an accident, collisions coverage will be reimbursed them for cost of repairing the car means the deductible. If the policyholder is not at fault, the insurance company may try to recover the amount if paid from the other driver insurance company, a process known as subrogations. If the company is successful, policyholders will be reimbursed for the detectable comprehensive. This coverage remembers for the loss due to theft, the damage caused by the something other than the collision with another car and object, such fires, falling objects, missiles, explosions, earthquakes, winds, storms, hails, floods, vandalism, and riots. The contact with animals such birds are rare. The comprehensive insurance is usually solid with the $100 to 300 deductible, though policyholders may opt for the higher deductibility as the way of lowering their premium. Comprehensive insurance and may also reimburse the policyholder is when sheltered to credit sheltered. Some companies offer separate glasses cover with the without to detectable states don't recover the purchase of collision and comprehensive coverage, but the lenders may insist a browser carry to it until a call loan is paid off. It may also be requirement of some dealership if car leads the the uninsured and underinsured motorist coverage. Uninsured and motorist coverage will be remembers the policyholders of members of the family and designated driver of one of them is hit by the uninsured or hit and run driver. Underinsured motorist coverage come into play when an fault drive has insufficient insurance to pay for the other driver total loss. This coverage will be protect the policyholders who is hit while the pedestrian homeowner insurance basics. The homeowner insurance basics financial protect against dis disasters. It is packages policy, which means that it covers both damage or property and liability, legal responsibility for any injuries and property damage policies of their families causes to the other peoples. This includes damage caused by the household pets. Damage caused by the most disasters is covered by the expansion standard. Homeowners policies is do not flooding, earthquakes, or poor maintenance. Flood coverage, however, is available in the form of separate policy both from the National Flood Insurance Program and from the new private insurance. Earthquake coverage is available either in the form of installment or as earthquakes coverage is available other the separate. The maintenance related problems are the homeowner responsibility. A standard homeowner insurance policy includes four essential type of coverage. The includes coverage of the structure of the home, coverage of the personal belongings,